Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search for stuff on Pinterest without actually having a Pinterest account. So what you're going to want to do first is go to Google and type in the thing you want to search on Pinterest. For instance, you want to type in like gift ideas for like your mom, and then type in Pinterest at the end and just press enter, and this will show up and you're just going to click on it, and as you can see it takes you to Pinterest. And as you can see, you don't have to have an account to search for the sort of pins. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!